Hello teachers, today I'm going to teach you how to run reports in our sign-in sign-out system. There's this gray box called reports. You put in your teacher number there. And then you have some choices here on the different kinds of reports you want. For instance, maybe you want to find a specific student. The one thing you have to do is make sure you're on the right day. So if you're doing this the day of Panther Time, you're fine. I'm doing it the day after. So I want to look up a particular student to see how he did, where he went. So I can just look him up. And there we can find out that he signed out for Miss Haas and into me. I can also look at what anyone did in my class, and I do that by coming in to Single Teacher In Out, and there I have everybody that came in or out of the library that day. And then I can also sign students out. If you forgot to have them sign students out, that would be right here. If you have any questions, please come by the library and see me. Thank you.